In this video, we're showing you how to install the AlphaFlex screen protector on your phone. Start by removing your case and any existing screen protector from your phone, if you have them. Open up the cleaning kit and set out all of the components. Insert your phone into the alignment tray. Clean your screen with the alcohol wipe. Dry it with the microfiber cloth. Use the dust sticker to dab the screen and eliminate any remaining particles. Peel off film with tab 1 and avoid touching the adhesive. Attach the tab to the pegs and use the squeegee to affix the screen protector to the screen, sliding firmly from top to bottom, then bottom to top. Also, swipe the squeegee from top to bottom and bottom to top along each edge. Release the tab from the peg and pull the film off the screen. Gently press air bubbles to the edges of the screen protector to ensure it is attached securely. That's it! Your screen is protected and ready to go.